Hi everyone, we are back with another video. Today we are just going to unbox this pocket projector. The model number of this projector is YG300 and this is the packaging. These are the configuration. As you guys can see here, these are the complete TF LCD 800:1 ratio resolution LED lamp, 30,000 hours of lamp life, which is quite good. Approximately 8 years you can use the projector. And these are the other configurations. It can support USB, memory card and all those things. And these are the major formats which this projector can support. So let's do the unboxing. So this is the main things. This is the projector. This is quite good. It's a small portable. You can easily carry inside your bag. It's have a USB, HDMI, DC power in, and this is a LED indicator. Comes with the micro USB in 5 watts. It means you can use this projector with the micro USB as well. Micro SD card slot, AV audio connection, and this is the light. This is the focus. You can adjust the focus from here. These are the other things. Manual, which is important to read. QC certificate. This is the cable which they are giving with this projector. If you want to connect with audio video connectivity, you can use. It's not comes with the HDMI, so you have to use your own HDMI. This is a power adapter, which is a 3-pin UK plug you can use. So let's turn on the projector. So what we did, we just connect this power bank with the projector, because you can use this projector with any kind of power bank or with the micro USB connection. So this is an advantage of this projector. So let's turn on the projector. We will just connect the USB with this one here, so we can play some videos. Now let's turn on the power bank. It's on. This is the main power button. Once you will turn on this one, it will project. So let's just turn off the lights. So this is the main result of the projector. As you can see, it's more than like a 50 to 60 inches. So right now we will just turn on any video and let's see the result of the video. So we just play the video in this one. The quality wise it's okay, around 17 inches of screen with a good sound. If you want to connect additional speakers, you can with this one, but it's already have a 3 watts of speaker, so it's quite good. The sound of this one, it's fine. If you are watching a movie or if you are giving any kind of presentation, it's okay. So this is the small portable projector, and it already comes with the whole. If you have some kind of tripod or camera stand, you can also fix this projector and you can enjoy your movies. So if you guys like this video, give us your feedback, and if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any kind of questions, you can ask in the comment section about this projector, and the link is inside the description if you want to buy this projector in UAE. Thank you.